After a 12-year wait, the 7th-generation Nissan Z is finally here, and it looks like it'll be the Japanese sports car enthusiasts have been clamoring for. Unlike the Miata, it's got plenty of power. Unlike the GR86, it's turbocharged. Unlike the Supra, it has a manual transmission. Could the Nissan Z be the best of all worlds? After months of teasers and anticipation, Nissan has finally unveiled their modern-day Z car. Changes from the Z Proto are minimal, with the biggest difference being the addition of a trunk lid spoiler. It's powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Handling will be enhanced by new front and rear monotube shock absorbers with revised double wishbone suspension and an electronic power steering system. All this is said to increase cornering performance by 13%. There's 6-speed manual or 9-speed auto transmission options, with cars starting around the $40,000 mark.